All right, you guys, it's your boy Taylor Grant. Bellator claims resolution. I hope you can see that. You might be able to, you might not be able to, but I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. So today's comes to us from Kim of Denver, Colorado. So after giving them a reasonable amount of time to address my concerns without any contact, I started getting quotes from others. Imagine my shock to find that I have been charged more than double the rates from the others, insurance companies I'm assuming, offering the same coverage limits. Shame on you, insurance company, for taking advantage of my loyalty, and shame on you, Jeff, whoever you are, for failing to contact me in a way to discuss this, that you have benefited from my premiums for over 30 years. Dang! 30 years and they still don't want to treat you as a great client and for your loyalty. The least you can do is reach out to explain yourself. Bottom line, don't trust that you have the right insurance at the right premiums. Shop for the right policies for you and stay away from this insurance company. They don't have your best interest at heart. What? Come on, you guys. I've been saying this since I started making these videos. If you're not checking every 2 years and making sure you have the right coverage, your life will change. Every 2 years or so, you're like, okay, maybe in a little different place. So every 2 years, make sure you have the right coverage. And for that coverage, are you paying the right premium? Guess what insurance companies do? If you don't question or ask or wonder why you're being charged a certain dollar amount, they will take your money. They are for-profit corporations. They make profits, and that's okay. But what's not okay is not rewarding your loyalty. If you've been a client for 30 years and they're charging you double than another company with the same coverage, come on, really? Does that sound fair to you? No, it does not. It doesn't sound fair to me either, but what I want you to do is, if you have a residential, commercial, or industrial commercial property insurance claim, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. We'll see what we can do to help you out.